I pull up to my job, I turn the car off, and let out a heavy sigh. And then I lean my head down and put it on the steering wheel. I look at the clock and I notice I only have 5 minutes before I have to report to duty. A million thoughts swirl through my head. I have a 5:04 meeting today. My middle of the year evaluation goals are due today. And I've got a million other things that I've got to do. We sometimes get so bogged down on the tasks and the things that we have to do, the big due dates that are coming up, that we forget that there are small things that we can do to make our day more enjoyable, inspire other people, and even uplift ourselves. So in this video, I'm going to share a quick morale booster for your students and your staff. And best of all, it is free, it's easy to do, and it doesn't take a whole lot of time. Pick 5 students and 2 teachers or 2 staff and write them a handwritten note. I use Canva, which is free for educators. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up one with your work email. Find a cute note card template, download it, customize it, print it on cardstock, and then write your handwritten notes and pass them out to teachers and students. For example, there was a student who I was working with individual counseling, and I had to refer him to outside therapy for support for crisis. After that was all over and done, I checked on him a couple days later and I wrote him a handwritten note. I knew from my interactions with him that he suffered from a lack of confidence. So I found a good quote on confidence, and so I wrote him a handwritten note aligned with that quote. I called him to my office, gave him the handwritten note, and asked him to read it when he was alone. This is an easy way to uplift someone else, build up their self-esteem and confidence, and it helps you. And you can do the same thing for teachers. I would write them handwritten notes, put it on their desk, either give it to them in their hand or put it on their desk and make sure that they knew it was from me, because they need encouragement too. A lot of times when I would write them these notes, I would come back in their classroom later on and either see it taped on their desk or on their bulletin board, which lets me know that I'm doing something good and encouraging someone else. People will appreciate the extra time and effort you put into doing nice things for them. And like I said, writing a handwritten note is so personal. So even if you can't commit to doing 5 students and 2 staff, do 3. Write 3 handwritten notes and pass those out throughout the day. Did you know that there is statistical research on gratitude that shows that for every good thing that you do for someone else, it boosts your sense of happiness by 10%, it reduces anxiety and depression by 35%. So if you're struggling, if you're having a hard time, doing something nice for someone else is not only going to benefit them, but it'll benefit you as well. This easy and simple strategy will also increase your capacity as a leader and a mental health professional on your campus. You get to choose how your day will go. You can easily stay in peace and walk in your purpose by doing something nice for someone else and boosting morale for them. If you want more tips, resources, and professional development, join my school counselors community on the link below. And if you want more ideas for spreading kindness, check out this video on the screen. Random Acts of Kindness is coming up in February, and there are tons of ideas that you can do for free with free resources that are already created. Check out my video on the screen for more ideas.